Today, we're talking about something a lot of drivers face: throttle response issues. And in many cases, the problem comes down to a misaligned or faulty throttle position sensor, also known as the TPS. What is a throttle position sensor? The TPS is a tiny but very important sensor attached to your throttle body. Its job is to measure how far the throttle plate is open and send that information to the car's ECU, the brain of your vehicle. Every time you accelerate, the TPS tells the ECU, "Hey, the driver wants more power." If the TPS sends wrong or inconsistent signals, you might notice symptoms like rough, idle, poor acceleration, jerky, or delayed throttle response, check engine light, increased fuel consumption. In many cases, you don't need to replace the sensor. A simple reprogramming or recalibration can fix it. When do you need to reprogram the TPS? You should consider reprogramming your TPS if you recently cleaned the throttle body, you replaced the TPS sensor, you disconnected the battery for an extended time, your car is idling unusually high or low, you hear the idle fluctuating, your ECU isn't reading the throttle angle correctly. Reprogramming helps the ECU relearn the correct idle and throttle positions. Tools you will need. Good news. For most cars, you need no special tools, just your car key, a few minutes of time. Optional, an OBD2 scanner to clear codes. No mechanical skills required. Step-by-step TPS reprogramming procedure. Now let's get into the actual process. This method works on many cars including Nissan, Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, Chevy, Ford, and more. It's called a TPS idle relearn. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Turn the key on. Put the key in the ignition and turn it to the on position. Don't start the engine, just power the electronics. Step 2. Wait for 3 seconds. Let the ECU power up and read the sensors. Step 3. Press and release the accelerator. Fully press the gas pedal all the way down, then release it. Do this 5 times quickly, within 5 seconds. Step 4. Wait 7 seconds. After the last pedal press, count 7 seconds. Step 5. Press and hold accelerator. Now press the pedal down fully and hold it. Step 6. Watch the check engine light. After about 10 to 12 seconds, the light will start blinking. This means the ECU has entered the TPS reprogramming mode. Step 7. Release the pedal, take your foot off the gas pedal, and wait. Step 8. Start the engine. Let the car idle for a minute without touching anything. Your TPS should now be recalibrated. What if it doesn't work? Try repeating the steps again, cleaning the throttle body, resetting the ECU using an OBD2 scanner, checking for vacuum leaks, inspecting the wiring to the TPS. Sometimes the sensor is worn out and needs replacement. Final tips for better results. Make sure the battery is fully charged. Don't have the AC on during relearn. Don't press the brake pedal during the process. Let the car idle for a full 60 seconds after reprogramming. This helps the ECU store the correct throttle values. And that's it. You just learned how to reprogram your throttle position sensor without any tools. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more car automation tips.